Hello everyone, I am Onat from Microsoft. Today I'll be demonstrating why it is important to update your third-party applications. For this purpose, I'll be using a Windows 10 machine to which I will attack, and also a Kali Linux machine with which I'll be attacking. So let me first show you my Windows 10 machine. Here you can see my Windows 10 machine. In it we have a Google Chrome installed. It has a version of 80.0.3987.87, which is a vulnerable version. It yields to remote code execution vulnerability if it's installed, and we will be exploiting this vulnerability. And here you can see my Kali Linux machine. I will use MSF console Metasploit framework to attack. Let me show you my IP. Here you can see my IP address of Kali Linux machine. And okay, and also let's start Metasploit framework to initiate our attack. And while it's opening, let me also show you the IP address of my Windows 10 machine. And yes, here as you can see it is this one. I want them on this I want them to be on the same network because I want my Windows 10 machine to reach the content that will be served throughout our attack from our IP address. Okay, I'm searching the exploit that I'll be using. It is chrome_js, so this one, and you can see the disclosure date here also. Anyways, I'm saying I will use this exploit. And okay, by saying show options, you can here see the like different configuration that you have to set before running the exploit. I'm giving my IP address to SRV host. I start configuring these by giving my IP address, and also I'm setting my URI path to root, which is / and also I'm setting my lhost to this IP, to my IP again, specifically because like okay, it was already the loopback IP, but just in case I'm setting it to my lhost also. And also I want to configure a payload. I'll be using reverse TCP meterpreter, and yes, this one. Okay, and okay, and at this point I want to show you the information about the payload. Oops, sorry. Yes, here you can see the information about our payload, but the reason why I opened it is to see the available targets list. And here we have Windows 10 Google Chrome. Okay, I'm setting the target to 0 and initiating the attack by typing exploits. And as you can see, it gave us a URL. So I will open this URL in my target machine. At this point I want to say something. In real life, this URL may be opened using like social engineering techniques by the target, but for the ease of testing I will directly open it from my vulnerable Google Chrome. And okay, I'm copying it. I opened it, and okay, let's get back to Kali, and as you can see we have the meterpreter session opened. We just typed this one from our target machine, and we got a shell, a meterpreter specifically from our Kali. Okay, let's create a file. I'm creating this file to prove you that I hacked and like we can basically do anything that we want in the target system. Okay, I'm typing hello Microsoft and turning back to my Kali machine. I'm saying sessions -L to see the available sessions that I have. As you can see, I have the Metacrata session here, and the connection information is on the right. As you can see, I will type sessions 1 to use this Metacrata session to interact with Metacrata session, and I will type shell to get an interactive shell. And yes, at this point we literally hacked the Windows 10 client via our target, and as you can see, our user is Windows 10, which is the user of our Windows 10. So as you can see, it's like really serious. The theory behind is really easy. However, the results are really harsh, and if it happens in real life, yeah, it's a big problem. Okay, so let's traverse to the home directory of our user, and it was Windows 10. Okay, and here we see the home directory of our user, and let's go to the desktop to see the content on our user's desktop. And yes, at this point you can see the text file that we created, so we basically hacked the system. So this kind of vulnerabilities may be ignored by system admins in real life, and as you can see, may yield to really harsh situations. And assume that, like for instance, this Windows machine is used by a domain admin, and they hack upon this machine, like literally the domain admin client. If there isn't any layered architecture implementation, the hacker may perform privilege escalation, and the worst thing is that the hacker can own the entire domain. In order to avoid these kind of scenarios, we developed a powerful and reliable product named Easy2Patch. Using our product, you can update your third-party applications and stay safe, basically. So, okay, everyone, I would like to thank you all for listening to me. I wish you a good day, and yeah, see you.